Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FAIRPHONE 5 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the security. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on fingerprint, and before we'll be able to set the fingerprint we have to add the regular screen lock. Of course, if you've got one, you will be transferred to another step. If not, just do it right now. I'll choose the pattern, as you can see. Alright, here we have to decide what we want to show on the lock screen, what kind of notification. So just mark the option and tap on done. Okay, the information about the fingerprint, so just tap on I agree, of course, after reading. And here we have to touch the sensor, which is located on the power button on the side of our device. So just put your finger on the sensor, preferably the thumb, because it is the natural position in which you're holding your device. I'll use my index finger, so let me put my finger on it, and as you can see, all we have to do is to simply put it on the sensor multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Okay, we've got it, so let's simply tap on done. And this is the fingerprint section, and this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it and add another fingerprint if you wish. Alright, so all we have to do right now is to check whether it is working. So let me lock the device and let me put my finger on the sensor on it. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.